1. 1924 Spider, $4,900, Eugene, Oregon. This 1979 Fiat 124 Spider is a classic Italian convertible powered by a 2000cc dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. It features 4-wheel disc brakes, which was advanced for its time. With 67,227 miles showing, this Roadster has been mostly stored for the past 2 decades, only driven during summer months. Recent mechanical updates include a rebuilt transmission, new tie rods, ball joints, radiator, and thermostat. The green cloth top is in great shape, and the car includes a cover and spare parts. This is a well-preserved example, ideal for weekend drives or a full restoration. Clean Oregon title in hand. To 1977 Dodge Aspen 2-door, $4,000, Portland. Here's a hard-to-find 1977 Dodge Aspen 2-door coupe, equipped with a 318 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The odometer reads 25,000 miles, but it has rolled over. Despite its fair condition, it is said to run and drive well, which makes it a potential sleeper project. The car is painted blue and carries a lean title. A product of the era when Chrysler was shifting to smaller personal cars, the Aspen has become rare, and V8 coupes are especially desirable to Mopar fans. Number 3. 1977 Oldsmobile Cutless, $2,500, Avon, Minnesota. This 1977 Oldsmobile Cutless is a budget-friendly project that runs and drives. With 70,000 miles on the odometer, it offers a strong base for restoration. The Cutless was a top seller in the late 1970s, known for its smooth ride and solid General Motors engineering. It is an automatic transmission model, and while the listing lacks cosmetic details, the low price and clean title make it worth a closer look for someone seeking an affordable V8 platform. For 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $1,000, Colotis, Washington. A true barn find, this 1969 Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan has been sitting since 1993. It's powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission, but the mechanical condition is unknown. The odometer is broken and the car is in salvage condition. However, it comes with a clean Washington title. For a buyer willing to take on a full restoration, this classic full-size Chevrolet offers a ton of potential for a low entry price. Five. 1967 MGBB Roadster V8 Swap, $3,000, Folsom, California. This 1967 MGB Roadster is a unique build featuring a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8, complete with performance upgrades like an RV cam, Edelbrock intake, camel hump heads, and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. It has a removable hardtop and a clean California title. Though it runs, the car needs brake work, fuel lines, and new tires to be roadworthy. It is a rust-free example with a straight body, perfect for someone seeking an old-school British roadster with American muscle under the hood. Six. 1968 Dodge Coronet Wagon, $3,500, Centennial, Colorado. This all-original 1968 Dodge Coronet station wagon is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 98,743 miles. It runs and drives well, but the interior needs a full restoration, and there are minor rust spots. These wagons are increasingly rare and have become desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Mopar utility vehicles. A clean Colorado title is included, making it a great platform for a retro family cruiser or surf wagon project. 7. 1972 Pontiac Luxury Le Mans, $3,800, Canby, Oregon. This 1972 Pontiac Luxury Le Mans comes with a 350 cubic inch engine and a matching 350 transmission. While it is not currently running and missing the drive shaft and exhaust, it is otherwise complete. The car shows 100,000 miles and has typical rust issues in the floor pans, rear window channel, and rear quarters. The Luxury Le Mans was known for its upscale trim and comfort-oriented suspension, and with a clean Oregon title, this is a solid base for restoration or parts. Eight. 1967 Chevrolet Chevel, $7,500, Rainier, Washington. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevel four-door sedan is a running and driving example with a 283 cubic inch V8 engine. It shows 127,000 miles on a rolled-over odometer. This vehicle has been in the family for over a decade and was mostly stored, which has preserved its overall integrity. It has only minor surface rust in the trunk and comes with a clean Washington title. Though a four-door, it still offers the timeless Chevel styling and could be restored or used as is for local cruising. Nine. 1964 Chevrolet 2 Nova, $8,000, Alameda, California. This 1964 Chevrolet 2 is a clean and rust-free four-door sedan fitted with a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine and a Rochester 2GC carburetor. It is mated to a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The odometer reads 150,000 miles, and it has rolled over. Upholstery is in great condition, and the car runs, drives, and stops well. With a clean California title, this is a rare opportunity to own an early Nova that has not been modified or heavily altered. Ten. 1963 Ford Falcon two-door, $500, San Fernando Valley, California. This 1963 Ford Falcon two-door sedan is a solid project car with many upgrades already completed. It features a 170 cubic inch inline-six engine, automatic transmission, and front disc brake conversion. The car has received new suspension components, ignition upgrades, a rebuilt generator, aluminum radiator, and more. The floor will need some patching and a new windshield is required. It comes with a clean California title and registration valid through March 2026. A classic compact with solid bones and a good parts investment. $11. 1963 Rambler American 440 hardtop, $5,400, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1963 Rambler American 440 is a rust-free two-door hardtop with 74,134 miles showing. It features a recently rebuilt overhead valve six-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. The body is in very good shape, and the car runs and drives well. With an aluminum radiator and solid tires, it is ready for the road. This model stands out as a less common compact from the 1960s and offers excellent originality and vintage appeal for a fair price. 12. 1957 Chevrolet 210 Wagon, $7,000, Renton, Washington. A straight and mostly complete project. This 1957 Chevrolet 210 station wagon retains all of its original chrome and stainless trim. The odometer is broken, but it is estimated to have around 75,000 miles. The interior needs a full restoration, and the floor on the passenger side will need replacement. These wagons are highly desirable among Tri-5 Chevrolet enthusiasts, and this one, with its clean Washington title, offers a great foundation for a retro cruiser or full frame-off build.